That $100 vitamin C serum is fake. 3 skincare lies dermatologists expose. Myth number 1. All vitamin C is equal. That's a big fat lie. Any vitamin C on the label does not work. So how do you know if your serum is oxidized? If it's yellow or brown, it's oxidized. Pro tip: buy dark glass bottles and store them in the fridge. Only stable forms like sodium ascorbyl phosphate penetrate skin. Most oxidize before you even open them. In fact, a recent study found that 75% of vitamin C serums were either partially or completely oxidized when they arrived at their destination. Oh, that's because vitamin C is so unstable. It reacts with oxygen, turning brown and losing its effectiveness. Myth number 2. Higher percent is better. That's also a lie. 30% strength gives faster results. That's a myth. Using a higher concentration of vitamin C does not give you any added benefit. In fact, it can cause irritation. So what's the ideal concentration? According to a study published in the Journal of Dermatology in 2023, 10 to 15% is ideal. Myth number 3. Vitamin C plus retinol equals danger. That's another lie. You should never layer vitamin C and retinol. That's actually a dangerous skincare myth. Vitamin C and retinol are a power duo, but you have to use them at the right time. Vitamin C during the day to protect against sun damage and retinol at night to repair damage and stimulate collagen. But why can't you use them together? You can't use them together because vitamin C is unstable. It's easily destroyed by air and light, so if you put them together in the same routine, you're more likely to get irritation and inflammation. So always use vitamin C in the morning and retinol at night. Now here's a bonus hack. If you want to save money on vitamin C serums, here's what you can do. Buy a cheap vitamin C powder online and mix it with ferulic acid. A study published in 2019 found that this combination works better than luxury brands and it's way cheaper. Just make sure to drop a like on this video if you're going to try it and subscribe for more no BS beauty science.